The current time is 2:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, northwestern Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:39 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from South Beloit to near Winnebago, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near South Beloit, Rockton, and Roscoe around 2:45 p.m. McChesney Park around 2:50 p.m. Rockford and Loves Park around 2:55 p.m. Rockford Airport and Caledonia around 3 p.m. Poplar Grove, Cherry Valley, and Timberlane around 3:05 p.m. Capron around 3:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include New Milford and Davis Junction, including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 115 and 123. Interstate 90 between mile markers 0 and 2, and between mile markers 57 and 76. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.